So what is the difference between steam cleaning and pressure washing? Get ready, because the freak is going to drop some knowledge on you today. We're going to explore some differences and understand some typical applications for both cleaning methods. Stay tuned, baby. Look, being the steam freak, I get this all the time. Some people just don't understand the difference between steam cleaning and pressure washing. In fact, steam cleaners and pressure washers often look identical, and in some cases could be the same machine. One thing is for sure, not all machines are created equal, and not all jobs require the same cleaning approach. Class is in session. First, let's look at pressure washers. A pressure washer is a machine that delivers high pressure, hot water through a nozzle, utilizing high impact forces, allowing you to punch scrums right in the face. What the heck is scrums, you ask? Slimy, cruddy, rancid, unclean, mucky, and sludge. A pressure washer will get your scrums moving. With more fluid volume and velocity, it easily carries the contaminants away, which is very handy for washing out a trailer. With a pressure washer, you can clean more surface area per unit time. Large areas and objects such as cars, boats, and parking lots can be quickly tackled with a pressure washer. Now let's look at the freak's weapon of choice. A steam cleaner, baby. A steam cleaner uses low pressure, superheated steam through a nozzle to melt and break down scrums off of a surface. Check it out. A steam cleaner uses half the water and a fraction of the electricity of a typical pressure washer, resulting in much less runoff, and you're not scattering the scrums around the area you're cleaning. Look, man, the freak likes to clean it and not wear it. Steam gets the surface cleaner and won't leave any scrums residue behind. Steam puts heat into the surface, opening the pores, releasing the scrums residue, and allowing the surface to dry faster. Spare me the chemicals and save the planet, baby. Steam melts away even the heaviest of scrums. Now that we know the difference between steam cleaning and pressure washing, let's look at some applications for both. Oh my gosh, look at that pressure washer cleaning that large surface area. Oh, look at him. He's using it just like a broom. Look at that pressure washer removing paint. It must have some high impact force. Here comes the steam, baby, removing grease and hydraulic fluid off a tractor. Steam works awesome on sensitive areas on old, delicate buildings. Would you look at that? Steam is even sterilizing the playground equipment. Use steam instead of chemicals and save the planet, baby. Scrums can take many forms. Sometimes the freak needs high pressure, and other times it's all about the steam, baby. Now I know what you're thinking. You're saying, freak, do I need two different machines? No, you don't. Not with a Sioux combination pressure washer steam cleaner like this bad boy right here. It's the best of both worlds, baby. At Sioux, we call this the H5.5 D3000G. But the freak calls it the Scrums Annihilator, or whatever management will let us get away with. This is a combination unit capable of either 5.5 gallons per minute, 3,000 psi of high pressure hot water, or 2.6 gallons per minute, 250 psi of the hottest steam on the planet, baby. Changing between pressure wash and steam mode is so easy. I could probably do it blindfolded. Subscribe if you want to see that. But really, just twist the unloader valve and change the nozzle. Check out the video linked in the description below to learn more about it. If you would like to learn more about all of the combination cleaning equipment here at Sioux, like the Annihilator, reach out to us. Our contact information is in the description below. Thanks for watching. More fluid volume and velocity.
Carries contaminants away.
Carries contaminants away. With more fluid, I spit. Check out the video link in the description below to learn more about it. Right? Check out, yeah, okay.
Okay.
But really, we're going to explore and show you some typical applications for both cleaning methods. Stay tuned, baby. We're going to explore the...
All right, try it.